So you want to make some money homesteading. You don't need acres of field. It starts in your own backyard. Here's some tips to save you money and get you started. Step one is get your priorities straight. Now that means, are you gardening now? Are you growing anything at all? Sure, we want to shoot for the stars, but we have to start with actionable steps that get us to market. At the same time, we need to define our market. Are we going to a farmer's market? Are we selling to wholesalers? Are we just feeding our friends, our family, and our community? All of those are ways that we can profit. Some we can profit by making some cash. Others we can profit just by serving our community to the highest and best. But it starts with, what are you doing now? And make those little steps. Plant some herbs. Have a window box. You don't need to go out and buy the 100 acres of farmland. Less than 5 acres is great. 1 acre is great. Several raised bed gardens are great. Whatever is good for your budget, that's what we need to start with. Mark Cuban has a great quote. Don't follow your dreams, follow your effort. And if you're not putting effort in and not taking those little steps, the dream will never materialize. Start small, get your priorities straight, and the success will come. So you're thinking about growing plants. You've got the nursery permits, you've got all that squared away. What are the best plants for you to be growing to take to market? And the one that I think initially is basil. Everybody loves herbs, whether it's like rosemary, thyme, basil, oregano. These are relatively easy growing plants that people use up very frequently. Everybody wants fresh spices for their food, and with a little bit of space, you can start plants to sell to people. I've seen in the supermarket that people are literally selling 4-inch pots of basil, and when people take them home, they use them up, the plant's dead. And if you can serve that market by observing what people like, herbs is a great place to start. Truthfully, growing plants is the easy part. The much harder part is connecting with the community and building a market around your product. From online exposure to farmers markets, to exposure to wholesalers and the people in your area that want to eat and feed themselves the highest quality produce. That's much more difficult than building the plants. And it starts with getting your name out there, getting your social media presence developed, and showing the process that you're using to create the highest quality produce that you're then bringing to market. That brand recognition, it's hard to develop, but once you do, you'll be really thankful that you did. What's that Warren Buffett quote? It takes a reputation takes a lifetime to build and a minute to destroy. Start building your reputation now, and that way the market will recognize you when you take your plants and your produce to market. So an essential piece to think about for profitability of your business is utilizing every part of the life cycle of your plants. So can we sell seeds? Can we sell plant starts? Can we sell the fruit? Can we sell compost? All of these things, we're taking advantage of the system that we've already developed. We're just selling a different part of the life cycle of the plant. That might be the key for you being successful and maximizing your profit. At the same time, we need to take inspiration from successful people that are already doing the same thing in similar markets that we want to work in. Things like Misfits Market, or the local lady at the farmer's market, or the sourdough salespeople. All of these people bring different inspiration that you can draw from to make your business successful. If you see somebody doing something, that might be the universe speaking to you and saying, this is the path for you to follow. Again, don't follow your passions, follow your effort. Because think about how many people have been passionate about something and then fail. If we work hard, take those little steps, success is right around the corner. Yeah. Maximize your efforts with our spring garden planting guide. We've put together all of our tips and tricks from 13 years to save you time in the field and gain efficiency and ultimately profit for your business. Click the link below. You can't afford to miss this information. It will catapult you to the next level in your gardening success.